Hey everyone, this is DayTraderRockStar, and this is a live market radar. I'm putting this out Thursday, really going into tomorrow. We switched up, me and Paul today, so I was on the other side of the mic today, so I was not active on the mic. And, and in and out of the office, but it's important here to jump on here and try to get an update here. What is happening? I mean, we are definitely seeing another reversal in the day, and it's just, look after yesterday's rally, and things seem so nice. You expected a little more upside, definitely. Overnight thinking about it, I was like, well, you know what, this market is very volatile. I have to take a look at that 60-minute time frame a little bit closer. Are we getting a little extended here? Is there another rotation in the cards here? And when I came in today and I looked at the market starting to sell off, I looked at that 60-minute time frame. I said, well, that was very close to hitting those overbought levels. I mean, it was up there. The trend line was there. Everything here pointed to a pullback. I mean, that's the fact. That's what the roadmap said. I mean, we pushed up against the trend line. Yeah, we broke through it a little on yesterday, on Wednesday, but the fact was that was just a tremendous kind of maybe called the short covering rally. Just a big move. So the momentum just launched that. But you could see, looking at that 60-minute time frame, nothing has really changed on the trend. And we've pushed back down. And now going into tomorrow, this is why I want to get this video out kind of today before tomorrow. This is the game plan. I have to decide on a couple long positions I want to probably bail on. One, I'm really in, a couple of them in the hole in the oil service sector trades. And they're just continuing to drop. And I probably should have took those off earlier, and that's one thing. But I think there is a great trade coming up here, and the big thing here is this 5 minute. I'm always looking at a potential channel like this to break up. Lots of times you'll see a divergence play out here. This is very close to giving us the divergence. What would really have to happen is to get a quick follow through, even a gap down tomorrow, which would put that price down there. Probably wouldn't affect this that much, and if actually we got a gap down or a fast flush and a reversal, it would actually turn this back up quickly, and this price would be down here showing that really strong divergence playing out. We're very close to maybe putting it, but we need to see that signal. We need to see that signal. I'm not going to guess that that's going to happen. This could rotate right back down very easily. This could even turn into a longer term downtrend. The way it's kind of coiled up here, you have this little downward trend line. Lots of times you'll push back up into here and then push back down. So those bounces, yeah, they're going to come, especially if we get down here and we get that little bounce here. But this could easily continue to kind of fall over here. So I think tomorrow we are going to get a move. I think at one point tomorrow, if we do get that move underneath there, I think there is a good chance of reversal. I would love to be able to trade, again, some of the ETFs into any type of move lower in the morning. Now, it's 2 o'clock. We have the markets here just traded at the low, so we might actually get a fast flush down. Anyway, we're down 321 points right now. 321 points in the market here, still selling. No signs of it letting up here. Going back here to this, you can see this is still pushing down. We have a support line going out here, which is kind of interesting. It goes out to like the 2nd and then back out to the 8th. And you can see that on the futures chart also. If I zoom out, we go out here. A little bit below us here, we have that this low back here on the 8th. And this goes all the way out. If we extend this all the way out, it goes all the way out here to the 2nd. And let me get rid of that right there so you can see basically right back down to the level. So that becomes an interesting zone too. And I have a feeling we actually get through that and we actually move down a little bit lower below that. And if we zoom out here, you have this tremendous channel breakout. And this, what? We talk about this pattern all the time. The retracement here is a channel line retracement. It's still a very active trend line. It's active here, here, here. We actually pushed up and finally broke. Coming back down to it, if we actually got down to that level, would break us down to a lot of levels, but I think it would be a fantastic bounce zone. So I think that's levels to be watched. And that's what we'll watch in the next couple of sessions. Right now, the market here looks like let me get that back up here. you know, give or take here, what we're going to look at into the end of the day, it's kind of a tough call. Market here very weak. I wouldn't, and again, I'm not in that position today. I haven't been following. I've been doing a lot of research and actually doing a lot of stuff on the site here. So that's the main thing. You know, I want to just talk about the play I'm looking at tomorrow, the setup, the potential divergence that could be playing up with a little further push down. What levels are we looking at below us? Well, again, we have that underlying trend line on the cash and on the futures, and we also have, you know, again, this possible divergence. If we gap down or move down quickly down to this level, and we start to see this turn back up, preferably above this red line, we start to see that turn back up, and this price is a little bit lower. You know, that would be a fantastic indicator to trade off of, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. And even if we don't get that divergence, we still have those lines underneath us to pinpoint. Now, of course, today, not going to, again, not as much in touch, but again, that other underlying trend line here, right around that 1918 level, and then there's one down here which probably brings us down under 1915, 1914, possibly 13. All right, so that's it. I want to get this as the first part out. Again, I want to continue to do the research and you know, update this as we go forward. You'll definitely have the HPS watch list out, if not tonight, then tomorrow, because I want to make sure that how the market here reacts into the end of the day.